Hi, this is Litre Total Parts Pro. Today we have a 2016 Holden Cruze stock number 6797. It's ran from the 3rd 2013 and the 1st 2017. It has an F18 D4 1.8 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by 6-speed automatic transmission. This is the F18 D4 1.8 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left-hand headlight has sun cracks. Left front guard no dents. Left front 17-inch factory Omega tyre. Left hand door mirror. Left front and left rear door no dents. Left rear 17-inch factory Omega tyre. Left hand tail light. Right rear 17-inch factory Omega tyre. Right rear and right front door no dents. Right hand door mirror. Right front guard. Right front 17-inch factory Omega tyre. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Centre console lid. Automatic gear shifter. Heater AC controls. Factory single stack stereo. Interior mirror. Front courtesy light. Left front sun visor. Right front sun visor. Instrument cluster.